Welcome back. In this video, let's check out new high diffusion shower screen from Pesado. This is compatible with 54mm Breville machines and also Sage and Solus as well. Before I'm going to install this, I'm going to show you, okay, what that shower flow look like stock shower screen. Okay, so as you can see, flow, okay, looks pretty good to me. So now I'm going to install this. Only tools you need is just a flathead screw drive. The main difference between stock shower screen versus the HD shower screen is the edge extraction. As you can see, you are going to diverse, you are going to get all the water to the edge compared to the stock shower screen from here. So it's going to be equate to better extraction. That's something we have to test it. But let's install this and see what the shower screen look like when water is flowing. As you can see, just by looking at it, HD shower screen does much better job than stock shower screen because all the edge extraction as well give you better water distribution. Is that equate to better espresso? Okay, I don't know. That's we are here to find out. Okay, so next couple of weeks or next month or so, I'm going to make lots of coffee with HD shower screen, and also I have the stock shower screen. I have a couple other machines here, so let's compare it. Okay, stock versus HD shower screen. So let's find out together. All right, guys. See you guys next time.